It's nice to finally see others talking about the things that we have been talking about for months. This capitulation by holders, the weak hands washing themselves out, the removal of supply from exchanges. It is all a lot bigger deal than people realize. And in fact, I found something suggesting that Shiba Inu may, if it follows this historic trend, be ready to triple in price to 4049. So we're going to talk about that in this video, what is exactly taking place. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So this is a big reason why I say the charts can be misleading. If you're just looking at this and not looking at fundamentals, you are missing 90% of the picture. And what we've been talking about for a very long period of time is that whales have been accumulating their bags. We have seen this big removal of supply from exchanges. So this upside liquidity is being removed. So there is in fact less available in the market. And this is a very key point because when we start trying to tackle some of those resistance levels with momentum, we can break through them a lot easier. And that is what allows us to set higher highs. What's interesting here, as I stumbled across this article talking about this 35 trillion SHIB outflow. So I'm going to just read this to you guys, and I really want this to hit home. So Shiba Inu value shows signs of a potential rally as exchange outflows and capitulation signals indicate a trend reversal. SHIB has witnessed a significant drop in exchange supply, declining from 141 trillion to 106 trillion tokens since January 4th. We actually know it's even lower than that. It's 96 trillion right now. This suggests increased investor accumulation and reduced selling pressure, which could support a price surge if demand rises. Historically, declining exchange balances have preceded strong bullish trends in SHIB market performance. Not sure who said that before. Another key indicator, network profit loss, has recorded a sharp negative spike, signaling capitulation among traders. NPL tracks the average profit or loss of coins moving on-chain daily. A negative NPL means a large number of SHIB holders are selling at loss, often a precursor to a market bottom. This capitulation has historically set the stage for a bullish rebound as weaker hands exit the market. If historical trends hold, SHIB could potentially triple its value from its current levels to 404923. So again, guys, that would actually be a new cycle high in terms of Shiba Inu. That would be all the way up here in no man's land. And why this is in fact so important for Shiba Inu is, guys, there is nothing. There is nothing in terms of liquidity up here. This surge from 40s, I just moved something. This surge from 4049 to 4088 can happen in less than 24 hours. Okay. When we look at the height of the last market cycle, look right here. This daily candle that took SHIB from this range from 4047 to 4088 was a 75% daily candle. Now, why this is in fact so significant is there is less available supply on exchanges now than there was back then. What we have seen is this overwhelming removal of supply, this conviction from holders, and now having about 500,000, almost 500,000 new holders since that point in time is a big reason why when Shiba Inu blows past its all-time high, it's going to do it with a lot of force. And this is why we've been talking about this next leg for Shiba Inu running all the way up to 4013 through 4019. No, that's not the what I think the bull market high is going to be. I think that that's our next stop before we deal with, some of that summer consolidation and a little bit of drop before we make our surges to what should be, and hopefully still somewhere in that 305 through 201. I'm losing my train of thought here. So again, if we can get momentum behind these trends that we're seeing currently, we could see us run all the way to 4049. But momentum may in fact carry us up to 3013 through 3019. Now, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that, but this is what I've been talking about time and time again. And the problem is so many people, when I talk about this, they expect it to be right now. They expect it to happen this instant. And that's not how it works, right? We need certain things to play out. The certain events need to align in the crypto market. Now, the good news is that historically, cycle after cycle after cycle, they do. And what we're waiting for is kind of that last little piece of the puzzle. Like we've talked about, we need that retail excitement to rise. Right now, when we look at search traffic for Shiba Inu and search traffic for crypto in general, it's flatlined, okay? And I don't mean flatlined like at zero, like there's no interest. we're actually flatlining at higher levels, at higher consistent search volume. People actually are interested in crypto, believe it or not. We're not seeing the surges in excitement like we saw, back here in March or back here in November into December yet. But if you haven't noticed, we're continuing to set these higher floors in terms of price. Conviction is setting in. And this is great because this can lead us to even higher search traffic and can lead us to even higher adoption, higher amounts of capital flowing into the space. And this is where this market cycle can get really exciting in a hurry. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. It's very exciting to see this. I want to hear your thoughts. Do you think that this is going to continue to align perfectly for Shiba Inu to set a new cycle high? Is this going to carry us to those new all-time highs in terms of SHIB? But have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.